Welcome to Tech Leveler. My name's Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix my card not showing in your contacts on the iPhone or iPad. So when you open up your contacts, if you don't see your card here at the top, then I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you don't have yourself as a contact in your contacts, you first want to add the plus icon here at the top and add yourself as a contact. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to swipe this contacts away, head to the settings. Within the settings, you want to come down to contacts here and tab into that, and then you want to select my info, and then you want to select your contact card. So let's select Julie here just to show you as an example. Then when we go back to contacts, Julie's card's here. However, mine is Tech Leveler, so we'll go and select that here, and now your contact card should be showing. So that's how to fix my card not showing in the contacts on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.